In this video, I will cover 4 tips you can implement to give your personal finances the spring cleaning they need. Implement these tips for a personal finance spring cleaning and you'll be well on your way to a healthier financial future. Tip 1. Start by checking your credit report. Mistakes on your credit report can happen. Errors such as incorrect personal information, accounts that don't belong to you, or incorrect payment statuses could negatively impact your credit score. Monitoring your credit report also helps you detect signs of identity theft early. If someone opens accounts in your name or makes unauthorized transactions, you'll likely see them on your credit report. Tip 2. Clean up your budget. Regularly reviewing your budget allows you to identify areas where you may be overspending. By pinpointing these areas, you can make adjustments to your spending habits and allocate funds more efficiently. Check for wasteful line items. Do you need all those subscription services? Maybe you've been thinking about ditching cable TV for good. Are there better internet options available in your area? Regularly reviewing and cleaning up your budget can also alleviate stress by giving you a sense of control over your finances. Knowing exactly where your money is going and having a plan in place can provide peace of mind and reduce anxiety about money matters. Tip 3. Look for a better savings rate. Do you have a decent amount of money sitting in savings earning a measly 0.01% interest? With the current interest rate environment, banks are willing to pay a higher interest rate on your savings. Traditional brick and mortar banks probably won't offer the higher yield, but online banks will due to their lower overhead. Do a quick search and find one that makes sense for you. Tip 4. Reevaluate your debt. Are you still carrying credit card debt, auto loan debt, or any other type of consumer debt? When I say reevaluate your debt, I'm talking about getting serious about eliminating your debt. List all of your debts from smallest balance to largest, then look at your budget. Trim as much as you can and use any leftover money each month to start paying extra towards your debts. Pay off the smallest first to create some momentum, and then move on to the next highest balance. Don't have a lot left over in your budget? Then start thinking about taking on a side job. Do whatever you can to rid your life of those debts. They are just holding your future self back. If you want to learn more about budgets and paying off your debt, check out the video links in the description. Bonus tip for your personal finance spring cleaning, and it involves credit card balance transfers. If you carry credit card debt, you most likely are bombarded with offers to transfer your credit card debt to a new card with an introductory teaser rate. Don't do it. When you are cleaning your house this spring, you won't sweep a bunch of crumbs and dust under the rug, would you? Well, that is essentially what you're doing with your debt when you transfer it to a new card. The intro 0% APR will eventually go away. They may charge you a fee to transfer the balance, which means you end up with more debt than you started with. And you are just delaying the inevitable, which is you have to pay back your debts at some point. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. If you want to discuss setting up your own budget and a plan for your money, book a free call with me using the link in the description, or simply leave your question in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.